Hello friends, this video is a continuation of our previous video in which we discussed about arithmetic operators. So in this video, we are going to learn about comparison or relational operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values or variables. It returns either true or false according to the condition. So these are the comparison operators that we use. Is greater than, the symbol of that is this, is greater than, is less than, is equal to, is not equal to, is greater than or equal to, and is less than or equal to. So the first operator, that is greater than operator, this operator returns true if the left hand operand is greater than the right hand operand. So if here x is greater than y, then this operator will return true. Here this operator will return true if x is less than y. This operator will return true if x is equal to y. It will return true when x is not equal to y. It will return true when x is either greater than or equal to y, and this will return true when x is either less than or equal to y. So let's flip to Jupyter Notebook and let's see the examples of all these operators. So let's have two different variables again, x and y, and assign two different values to them. X equal to 25 and let's say y equal to 30. And then the first operator is greater than, right? So we will check whether x is greater than y or not. If x is greater than y, then this operator will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's run the cell and we can see it prints false because the current value of x is 25, which is clearly less than the current value of y, that is 30. So now if we just change the value of x to 35 and then if we again rerun the cell, we get x greater than y is true. Fine. So similarly the next operator will be is less than. So similarly it will return true if x is less than y. So currently the value of x is 35 and y is 30, so it currently should return false. Let's run the cell and it rightly so, it returns false. Now if we again change the value of y to 40 and then if we rerun the cell, then it returns true because the current value of x is less than y. The next operator is equal to. So as I just mentioned, the is equal to operator is denoted by double equal to, and we use this to check whether the operand at the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, like this. So if x is equal to y, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Currently the value of x is 35 and y is 40, so they are not equal, so it should return false. Now let's change the value of y to 35 again. And let's run the cell and it now returns true. Similarly, there is another operator called is not equal to. So if it will return true if these two operands are not equal. So currently x and y are equal, so it should return false. Let's check that. It, as expected, it returns false. Now if we just change the value of either of the operands, let's change the value of y and rerun the cell, then it returns true because currently x is not equal to y. And what was the next thing? The next thing was is greater than or equal to. So let's copy the value of x and y. So the next operator is greater than or equal to. So this operator returns true when the left hand operand, the operand at the left hand side, that is x, is either greater than or equal to y. So what is the current value of x? It is 35, right? So is it either greater than or equal to 36? No, it is neither greater than nor equal to 36. So this currently should returns false. Let's try that out, and it rightly so, it returns false. Now if I just change the value of y to 34, then the condition gets satisfied, because what is the condition? The condition is x should be either greater than y or it should be equal to y. So the condition x is greater than y, that is true here, so it will now return true. Yes, it returns true. Again, if we make the value of x and y equal, then also the condition gets satisfied, because now x is equal to y. So if we rerun the cell again, it again returns true. So if the left hand side operand is either greater than or equal to the right hand side operand, then it will return true. Similarly, there is another operator is less than or equal to, which is this. So currently the value of x is equal to y. So one of the conditions gets satisfied. What are the conditions? X should be either less than or equal to y. So the second condition gets satisfied, that is x is currently equal to y. So it will currently return true. Yes, it returns true. Now if we make the value of x 34 and y equal to 35, then also it should return true, right? Let's check that out as well. Then also it returns true. Now if we make the value of x 36, then if we rerun the cell, and as expected it returns false, because currently the value of x is neither less than nor equal to y. So these were the comparison or relational operators. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we are gonna learn about identity operators in Python. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you remain updated whenever I upload more Python and data science related videos. And also please like and share my videos so that this reaches to a greater number of audience and others also get benefited from this. Thanks a lot for watching.